Hello, welcome. Here we have this expression, 2 to the power of 100 versus 3 to the power of 60. Which is greater? So we're going to use some simple logic in actually getting the value which is greater, because if we have to compute this without the use of calculator, 2 to the power of 100 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 100 places. And that may give us a challenge. And 3 to the power of 60 means 3 times 3 times 3 into 60 places. And that will also give us a challenge. So we're going to use a format to actually tell which one is greater. So from here, we're going to take our solution here. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is this. We want to express these two powers to be of the same quantity. Is it possible to do that? Yes, it is possible. Because we want to make use of the law which says that if you have your A, greater than B, therefore your A to the power of N will be greater than B to the power of N. Okay, this is a property. Provided your B is greater than 0, then your N is also greater than 0. So for us to know if this is greater than this or this is less than this, we want to make use of this. And making use of this, we want to strike the same power for this and this. And so let's take the first one, which is this. So our 2 to the power of 100. We want to express 100 as a product of two numbers that when we multiply together will give you this. And from one of the numbers, we're going to have same thing from this other side. So 100 can be written as our 5 times 20. So this can be written as our 5 times our 20, right? Good. So if we apply the property of indices, it says that if you have your A to the power of your M times N, this is same thing as A to the power of your M all raised to N, right? So I want to separate this 5 from this 20. And so this could be written as our 2 to the power of 5 all raised to the power of 20. All right. So from this, what is our 2 to the power of 5? It means 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2 will give us 32, right? So we're going to have this to be 32 all raised to the power of our 20. So we have a power of 20 here. So let's see if we can get the power of 20 from this, then we check the base number. So from here, we now take the second one, which is our 2 to the plus 3 to the power of 60 is equal to our 3 to the power of what? So 60 can be expressed as 3 times 20. So we have here 3 times 20. So apply the law of indices here, we can separate this to be 3 to the power of 3 all raised to power 20. And so this 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. So we have 27 all raised to the power of 20. So thank God we'll be able to strike a deal. Now let's go to our property. Look at this property we just outlined here. We say that if A is greater than B, then A to the power of N is greater than B to the power of N. So let's check our A here. So our A here is 32 and our B here is 27. So 32 is greater than 27. So we have here 32 is greater than 27. And they both have the same exponent, and 2020. And so thus, it means, therefore, our 2 to the power of 100, okay, which is equivalent to 32 to the power of 20 is greater than our 3 to the power of 60. Okay, so this is how you prove simple challenges of this kind. Thank you. See you in our next class. Bye for now.